gonna talk to me a little bit. Are you gonna talk to me? Say something. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. What are you doing? What are you doing? You look so serious. You look so serious. Boop, 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 boop. Daddy's home. You hear the garage door? What's that noise? How did you know when I turned this on? 'Cause you just quit smiling and talking. Boop, boop, boop. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah. Say, that's funny, Mom. That's funny, Mom. Get that hand out of your mouth. Get that hand out of your mouth. Get that hand out of your mouth. How about that? That tickles a little, don't it? That tickle a little bit. That tickle a little bit. Goodness. You're more interested in the hand than me. Say hi. Are you waving? Are you waving? You look so serious. There's Daddy. Video on her. Ow, Maggie. Maggie! Oh.
Okay? That's cool.
Now let's not make a big deal about it. No, Maggie, get down. Her nails got me. So, okay, I'm good. Got that all on video. Got that all on video, huh?
I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe we put them down?
Look at my leg.
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay. Mean dogs that need haircuts.
You're excited over food that you're not going to get.
Yeah, Sadie, get down. Get down.
You can't jump on her like you jump on that, Maggie.
No, Sadie. No. You stay there. You stay there. Yeah, I'm good. Just chilling. Didn't feel a thing.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
So Mom's been poking my nose for a minute and a half. Trying to make me smile.
What are you doing? You got your chin tickled?
Yeah, there's all the Christmas decorations.
That's rude.